all thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
And the butts are off. All 6 robots moving on the field right now, starting in the Red Alliance team, 1261, the Robo Alliance, placing that first coil for the Red Alliance with 9480, the Gear Bears, right behind them. On the Blue Line team, 1771, North Gwinnett Robotics has already placed 3 coral, and they're going for a 4th. With their alliance partner, Circuit Robotics, helping their alliance, placing 1 coral on top of level 4. Going the teleop period, the Blue Line takes an early lead of 44 to the Red Alliance's 30. Team 1261, the Robo Alliance, trying to see if they can get back up by placing the coral on level 4 for 5 points. North Gwinnett Robotics tries bouncing an algae into the top of the net for 4 points, but it's not quite enough and bounces out to the Red Alliance side. Oscar places 1 for the Red. North Gwinnett again is unsuccessful in placing an algae inside the net. Oscar, however, is removing another algae from the coral reef as the Gear Bears get another coral from the human player station. Team 6944, the Wolverines, putting another algae inside the net inside the processor for 6 points for their alliance. Team 1771, North Gwinnett Robotics, continuing getting those coral on level 3 for 4 points each, with their alliance partner 1002 completing the level 4. Oscar is trying to deposit their 3rd one, but it's not quite enough. Hits the railing and falls back down to Bikini Bottom. Team 9480, the Gear Bears, continuing placing those coral, completing the level 4 in its entirety. We are halfway through the match. The Blue Alliance is leading 103 to the Red Alliance's 88. Oscar looks to catch back up by getting another 4 points for putting another algae inside their net. The Gear Bears trying to get some more coral on the coral reef as the Robo Lions get another coral from the seafloor. Team 6944, the Wolverines, placing another coral on level 3 for 4 points for their alliance as a human player for Red, placing another an algae inside the net. Team 1261, the Robo Lions, getting their coral right now onto their level 3 for 4 points. 9480, the Gear Bears, almost got it temporarily, had a coral stuck in their chassis, but they quickly got it out. Team 1771 continues filling out that coral at the coral reef as fast as they possibly can. In the last 30 seconds match, only 21 points separate these 2 teams. We are getting close to a new high score. Only 50 points left to go. Team 9480, the Gear Bears, getting their coral from the human player station, trying to see if they can deposit it on the coral reef, but they decide they're going to go try to climb. They're climbing alongside Team 832. 1261, the Robo Lions, trying to see if they can get a few more coral in the last 10 seconds of the match. The Blue Lions is up to 162 with North Gwinnett off the ground. 1002 Circuit Runners seeing if they can park for 2 additional points. Robo Lions get 1 last coral on the reef, but it's not quite enough. Can they make it back? And they're not quite able to get back under the barge for those parking points. And that is all the time we have in qualification match number 35 here in Macon, Georgia. And the scores are in. The winner is the Blue Alliance with a final score of 182 to the Red Alliance's 159. North Gwinnett will remain on top, earning 6 ranking points for their alliance. The Red Alliance still earned 2 ranking points, 1 for their autonomous portion of the match, and another one for earning at least 12 points under the 14 points under the barge.